It looks like it might rain. I wonder if it'll be too wet to work in my garden tomorrow. You're just so happy, huh? I wish I could be happy like that. There's somebody, and they're right behind me, and they're watching me, and I can feel them, and they're right behind me, and I can see them. There's nobody there. There's nobody there. There's no one there. My thoughts are creeping and sinking and terrible, and I'll never be this good enough. I'll never look the way I want to. I'll never be the person I want to be. Nobody's gonna see me the way I want to. I need to do laundry. I need to do the dishes. And I need to put dinner in the crock pot. I need to finish my final project. I need to the clouds are moving so fast. This will matter in an hour. None of this will matter in an hour. None of this will